Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'll guide you through the simple steps to control who can make audio or video calls to you on the X Mobile app. Managing your privacy is important, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize your call. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then, tap on Direct Messages. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Audio and Video Calls From. Here you have several choices. You can allow calls from people in your address book, people who follow you, verified users, or everyone. Finally, toggle on the options that best suit your privacy preferences. That's it. You've now set who can call you on the X app, helping you stay safe and in control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.